Goedemiddag mensen, good afternoon people. I'm busy with that pickup there, that bakkie daar, say thyroid end storage. Now they get a kit for those thyroid ends. It come in here on this in these arms. Thyroid end arms. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit. Come on. Okay, that's better. Okay, so what you have here is either two steel bushes like this one, and then you get two of them, one like that and one like this, or you get a nylon one and a steel one. The steel one comes in first, there, they kom daar in, dan kom die in, deze in, this in here. So you must check for where, there mustn't be grooves here. This one is still brand new. Nothing wrong with it. And then this is also brand new. It's nothing wrong with it. They mustn't come out. Okay, let's take it out. They mustn't meet. As hulle by mekaar uitkom, see there's some distance. If they meet, then it's done. Then it will do that. Plonk, plonk, plonk. It's kaput. Right. So they mustn't meet because they have spring-loaded washers in here. You put this on, and then you put these spring-loaded washers on there. Now the spring-loaded washers, the one, oh my, this one is cracked. This one is broken. That's cracked. Okay, so you put it comes on the side like so, and then the other one is the opposite. Kyk hoe hierso. They must be like opposite. They must be one must go onto that washer here, and then it must be like so and so, and then this one must be like that to press against this end cap with a grease nipple in it. So met 'n druk. Die grease nipple daarso. Okay, so nou moet ek kyk of ek so 'n wasser het. 'n Wasser. En dit is nie goed idee nie. Maar dit is so gebreek het. Okay, so first of all, I must bonk that into its place and take plek in kap. Now, on these you get rubber caps. Now the rubber caps, they look like this. But this one is hard and cracked. Dust caps, and they come on here, like so. And so when you grease it, the grease comes out of there, past it, and then all the old grease will come out there and sit on the outside. And the water cannot go in, or the mud and whatever. You must grease it often. Now on the control arm, you have the same story. You have a rubber cap like this, pressing on there, and Brandon and George, rubber products and moldings, whatever. He calls himself, he made these, and they petrol or diesel oil, grease doesn't do anything to it. It doesn't get hard like these rubber stuff and crack open like this. So he made them, and it was quite a challenge, he said. He almost gave it all up because I had to throw them away and try again because sometimes they're too soft and sometimes they're too hard. So the mixture of the various items, materials he used for it must be the correct amount. Otherwise it's a disaster. So I had to throw a lot of them away and try it all over again. And then of course all air bubbles, die lugborrels maak so. Want hulle gaan na boven aan die onderkant is mooi, maar aan die buitekant dan maak hy sulke gaatjies and it makes little holes in it. But it won't tear. So that's fine. Now these are the original old new rubbers, but they become hard after time, and they put on, let's put on there. So you made these for me, so I'm going to use them on here. Now, and the 504 and the 505, they used these rubber dust covers with a groove, with a spring on the outside, keeping it on to the groove there. So some people bought the 404 kit and then they fit it into the 504 arms and they put this just like that on it, and then it works like this. I don't know if that's a good idea because I know nothing in the groove holding it onto there. It's now sitting just like so. And another thing I also saw was some people buying the 404 kit with all the balls and rubber stuff as same, more or less the same as the one I showed you just a few seconds ago. Soos die vorige ene. Then they put these caps on to the arm with a groove around the top to fit these. And that's also not good, because if you have a groove on here or on there, this cap won't work there. If I take this target end and I take this cap off, I cannot use this on there because this one has a groove there with a spring or a wire or something around there to keep it on. So this won't work with these type of caps. Alright. Now I must put this together again. Kom ons kyk of ek aan mekaar kan sit. The washer is in there. The bush, one bush. It's not a washer, it's a bush thingy. Yep, let's see. Yeah, the taper side is this direction. Now I need to socket to bonk it in. Hopelijk is dit die regte sok, die sleutel die, is right socket. Turn it this way. I'm going to press it in with a screw. Otherwise, see if this works. Wow, it's tight fit, huh? Some tight fit. Won't get it out again. Slowly going in. Get the hammer for it. Okay. Almost there. Oh, bijna daar. I think that is okay. Right. Okay, so now I must get the washer. Where must I get the washer from? That's a problem. I don't have a washer like that. Ek het nie so 'n washer nie. Wat nou? Ja, ander arm gebruik. I must use another arm. So now I have a complete arm. I just have to turn this off there. Okay, and then put this onto the vehicle. That's all I now can do. Okay, and then I put this newly made cap on here. So, something like this. They're all about the same. Doesn't matter, they're all the same. There's the old one now. Is that the old one? Old one is cracked and it's going over far too far. Right. Now let's take over to the vehicle and put it on. Now this one is too tall, so I have to put the smaller one. Use my smaller one to get down there. Okay, now it mustn't fall over. Oh, can you see there? No, you cannot see there. Okay, maybe you'll see there. No, miskien kan jy nou sien daar. Let's go quickly. See if this works. That's too loose. So I must put something at the top to keep it down. Let's see what happens if I hammer it up. I have to put something on top to keep it down. So what must I put on top? Nou iets kry om bo op te sit. Now I'm busy with another struggling store. I'm making shims to fit over here to make it tighter. And that's a piece of a bucket, as you can see, and I'm cutting the bucket up, drilling holes in the bucket in a plastic. Right, put this one there. Now this must fit over so. Come on. see the drill bit. I don't know if you can see the drill bit. Just it. Right, it's the one with the roughness there. Point cut, normal drill, and a roughness at the back. Reaming story at the back. Now it fits over there. Now I must make it smaller. Dan moet dit kleiner kom ook. Dan moet ek kleiner so. Right. I think I must put 3 on. 3 on this one. Nog 'n bietjie ruim hier. Alright. Now a little bit of grinding again. Bietjie. Sun gaan byna onder. The sun is almost setting. See if this works. Right, I'm going to force that tight. Always have sometimes, maybe always, plastic. You have to throw away a bucket or something. A bucket is cracked or some whatever, and you can use pieces of it for some other purpose. Goed, kom ons kyk of ek daai een kan aansit. Waar is die ander dingetjie? Right. Now this has taken some time. Dit het nou tyd geneem die besigheid. Let us see what I can do. Sien of dit nou werk. Hier. Kom in so. Zal dit werk? I think so. It should work. I'm going to take this off for the meantime, and then I'm going to screw it into here. Come on. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Why is it 9 now? There's it. Okay, make it. See what it is. Begin at the beginning. Should be 8.5 turns. But now it's with the other arm. This is now a different armrest. But it takes on the same place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a half, 8.5. Okay, this nut must have moved. Goed. Nou sit ek daar die wassers aan, né? So. And I put the nut on. Let's put the nut on there. And just that way. This. Too much washers? Oh, too many washers, I mean. Not too much. Maybe one off. Come, take one off. Two should do the job. Swap that thing. Okay. That's tight enough. Pas genoeg daar. Goed. They should be the same length. So I'm taking it at 8.5 as the other one was. And see, first test with a screwdriver how tight this rubber fits onto. Now I better put this one on it as well. Okay. Maar dat daar die ene wel opzet. Right. hammer. Just put that one lightly back. Right. Try again, weer probeer. Dat ek 'n sleutel gevind. Weet ek nog sleutel goed. Toets met 'n sleutel of hy vas genoeg is. Check it with us. If it's tight enough with now it's better. Rather leave it like that. See if it's tight. Right, that's tight enough. Can't suffer to get it loose again. Gaan 'n bietjie sukkel om dit alweer af te kry. Okay, now shifting spanner. So, dat is skuif sleutel. Skuifback sleutel. Verstelbare sleutel. Right. Put it on like so. And then I that's tight. Right, that's good enough. Then I must put this wire thingy on. Screwdriver, where are you? Screwdriver, waar is jy? Right. I want to get this boot on there again. That dust boot, what they call it. Stop goes. Oh, don't fall off. Hy's al op sy plek. Now breathe out. Come on, the wire. Right. Put the thing on. Come on, mosquito. Wat maak jy in die winter hier? Muskiet, wat maak jy in die winter hier? Come on, go away. Mosquito. Okay, nou ek wonder as jy dit kan sien. Is this good enough? I cannot see there. Right. You should be able to see it. Right. Nou, onder die oliepak. Gelukkig geen olielekkage daar. Good. No oil leaks there. Let the oil come onto me. Screwdriver, where are you? What? Oh no. Now this is going to be a battle to get the screw into this damn thing again. No, man, so please. the nut must go on there. That. Goed. Hy het die skroefdraad gevang. En dis 'n klamp. Soos 'n housklamp. Type of a clamp. With a screw. And a nut. A bolt and a nut. Little bolt and a little nut. And then it turns there. There's a rubber boot tight onto this and it's fine. Good. There we are. Everything is in its place. The new mate. Can you see? Sorry. See there? The new boot, mate boot with a type of rubber that don't go bad with oil or grease and heat and sun and whatever else. It doesn't go bad. So this should last longer than a vehicle now. Now this vehicle is already, how old is this vehicle? 50 years old. Yes, the 1976 model. 1976, 77, 78, 17. Wow, that is 86 and 96 and 100 and 06, 1006. I mean, 10, it's 1016, 1026. So it's 60 years, 50 years old. Sorry, not 60 years old. It's 50 years old. It's 50 jaar oud deze auto. Alright, deze voertuig, al 'n bakkie, is 50 jaar oud. En deze boot kan langer dan 50 jaar hou. Daai sal enigste wees wat oorblyf van dit. Maybe, miskien. Wel, as iemand na dit kyk, soos wat aan na gekyk is die afgelope 50 jaar, dan behoort dit nog 50 jaar te ry. If somebody looks after it after 50 years, is it done 50 years already, then it should last 100 years. Dit behoort 100 jaar te hou, deze voertuig. Okay, so let me get underneath this vehicle. Dat is net onder die bakkie uitkom hier. So. And nou is alles die mekaar. So I did find a problem I didn't know of. There's a probleem. Die gekraak in die wasser daar so. Is 'n springwasser die. Nou jy kan nie sien daar nie. Kom ons kyk in die son. Sien daar's 'n kraak. There's a crack in it, in the washer. Come on now, focus nicely. No man. Oh my goodness, right. There's a crack, jy sien die kraak daar. En dit is 'n springwasser. Kyk, hy's hol. It's a hollow. It's a hollow washer, but it's spring loaded, very heavy spring loaded. So this washer is not good. It was quite bent open like so. And you cannot weld it. Jy kan hom nie swys nie. So, wat nou moet ek maak as ek daardie arm wil gebruik? If I want to use that arm, I have to let somebody make a washer like this, or I must find a washer like this. Okay. But maybe this should work. Now, these washers are also spring washers because it's hard. It's a harde washer en hy was behoort ook om 'n spring te wees. Maar bietjie dikker sien ek. So ek wonder. Die grootte is baie dieselfde. Die gat is bietjie kleiner, dat maak nie saak. En sien of dit daar kan werk. Dit behoort om te werk. We gaan hom net 'n bietjie grind hier om daai riffles af te kry. It's just grind that riff. That's for the bolt head or nut to lock it, not to loosen again, because it's all to the one side. It's al na die een kant, so hy hou die muur vas. So net dit af weg skuur 'n bietjie met die grinder daar. So dan behoort dit te werk in die plek van dit. So let me do that. So the car is now good. And the vehicle is now good. And I say bye-bye from this video. Ek sê totsiens van die video. Totsiens, bye-bye. Hope I'm in sight of the video. Nie soos laas met die liste motor wat ek my kop afgesny het. So that's good. And say bye-bye. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for subscription. Thank you for subscription. Tot die volgende keer. Until the next time. Bye-bye. It's almost a quarter of an hour hierdie video. Right, this is now after the flood story happened. So water is still strong and so on. Die water is nog sterk. So we can see what happens with the next rain or next flood coming. Because it was now a severe heavy flood. Big flood. Okay. Bye-bye. So this water should work like so. On that, in this thyroid end, the control, thyroid control arm. Right. What did I say? I just told you that pickup is, this bucky is 50 years old. This bucky is not 50 years old. This bucky is 48 years old. That bucky there, that one is 50 years old. The yellow one. That one is 50 years old. Not this one. This one is 48 years old. That one is 48 jaar oud. Goed, sorry for that. Die mekaar met die besigheid. Mixed up with the story. But anyway, fix this problem, hopefully. Goed, nou moet ek net hierdie insit hier. Gou snel hier insit. See how much I suffer to get this in. Dis nou die een wat ek ingekap het hier en ingepres het met 'n tight fit. And then this thingy comes in like so. This thing mustn't be worn out. And this one is nice. They made it a slot there for the grease to move from through it. Some of them don't have it. So when you grease it, the grease cannot go anywhere. It just sits at a certain point and the rest will become dry and wear out quicker. So goed, so die ene het nou die goede in wat hy nie so vinnig kan uitwerk nie. Okay, now I should put this nylon one at the top, because that's how I got it when taking it apart. And I'll put the one thingamajig towards the, like so, and then the other one upside down like so, and this one like that, and then this one comes upside down again. Maybe I should put that in the center. Wait a moment. Come on out. You go in like that. Then you to my direction. Then I put this one in. So, and then this one comes this direction. So yeah. Then I put the cap in. And sorry for me, I'm standing in the way. And then I put the circlip over the 13mm socket of half-inch socket. And then I put this whole lot in, like so. And I compress it a little bit. Yeah. I can't see there. There's a groove. Groove is open. Okay, now I must see where the whole pinhole is. Where the pin hole is there for to get the thing unlocked. So what you do is you take a steel pin. I think this one is 2mm thick, and you get, there must be a groove, a pinhole somewhere there. You see that? Okay, let's see if I can zoom into that pinhole there. Right. Nou, daar's 'n pen daar. Die pen gaan in die gat in. That's how you get it out. So, you must put this circlip in so that this gap is close to the pin, so that if you push the pin in with the water pump pliers, it will push onto the one side of your clip here. So, and then it will give way, and then you can hook it with a screwdriver. It's quick to get it out. Okay, it's not so easy to get it in. Believe you me, it's a disaster to get it in sometimes. And sometimes you can have an accident with it, because it doesn't want to go in. I struggled a lot with it to get it in on the others, some of the others. Where's the hammer? I must get the hammer too. The other day I wondered why this drift pin has a groove on the back, and now it comes to me. It's to get this thing in. Dis om deze in te kry met dit soos. Okay. You hold it like so, and you put this thing like so, and you own then it jumps out again, and you must try to get it. Let the darn thing in again, and it's going to jump out again. Oh no, man. There's a pinhole is there, so this thing must come a little bit like so. Right, and I better get this right before it's dark. There's a screwdriver. My back is so sore. Alright, kyk hoe dit kan regkry. Skroewedraaier. Hold it with a screwdriver in like so. And then I press with this thing. And thank you very much. It went in. So it's now nicely in. Sorry for that. I wanted to take the camera closer. And I'll undo the thing. Get this out. And there is it. And when you want to take the clip out, you put the pin in the hole there. And you press with a water pump plier like so. Yeah. Oh, bugger it. And then this will jump up. And then you hook it with a screwdriver. And then all the stuff can come out. Because that's how it works. Now this is now nice and stiff. So that washer does work. Yeah. Good. Now the pin is gone. It's on the ground and I don't have cement. You see it's ground. Soil. So 2mm thick, short little thingy-majig. Bye-bye. It's gone. Right. Klein dingetjie, kort dingetjie, 10mm by 2mm dik, is weg. Right. Goed, dan sê ek tot ziens. And I say bye-bye, finally. The second time, right? Tot ziens, volgende keer. Bye-bye until the next time. Wel dan, goed, tot ziens gesê.